Hi, I'm Rebecca Brand, and you might know this video of mine. Hi, I'm Rebecca Brand, and I'm going to show you how to make an N95 DIY mask with a bra. That was one of my most very viral videos, and from that video, it became my business to know about the N95 mask, and I had about 50,000 comments telling me, Rebecca, you don't know what you're talking about. Well, I found out what I was talking about, so I made it my business to find out for further videos. Checking out masks became one of my pastimes during the pandemic. My belief is that masks are here to stay. And my research has led me to a company that I asked to sponsor this video called BNX, because BNX masks, made in the USA, have the best quality and the best designs I've seen. After all this time of mask wearing, it's time to find our best and favorite masks and get loaded up on those supplies for many more years to come. This video is to explain the different kinds of masks. I was impressed to learn that BNX is currently the #2 best-selling N95 on Amazon after 3M, with better prices. By now we've all learned that comfort in a mask is critical. On the platform of Reddit, this BNX F95 Trifold fish-style mask is the most comfortable and less stuffy than the 3M Aura. That's the competitor. And it's slightly smaller in size, which makes it fit better, and it's more comfortable. BNX is thought to engineer it slightly smaller for a better fit and still have all that comfort. I personally like the black mask look more than the white on my face, and I love an ear loop. This is the K95 vertical folding ear loop style. The ear loops are so comfortable, it's so easy to put on. It feels so great on. It fits really great over the bridge of my nose. And I love the look of my hair with an ear loop style mask. That's just me. I like the way my profile looks in this. I love the black color. As I move my head back and forth, you can see how well it's fitting me. And of course, it's easy to take off. Here it is close up. I'm going to show you the front and the back and the inside and the quality of this mask. This one with the ear loops is perfect for my face size. For men in larger faces, there's another black one with the headband style. This one is an N95 respirator, vertical folding, and with that headband. This feels much looser when I wear it. It covers more of my face. And let me show you from the back how loose those headbands are as I pull them away from my hair, so you can see plenty of room for this mask for larger heads or larger hairstyles, larger faces, and really sleek looking for men or women. All BNX masks are of the best of materials. It has what's called a melt-blown fabric. It's a unique process that's capable of producing very fine fibers, and that creates a low linting non-woven with a high absorbency and a metered fluid release. And they use no chemical binders in it, so your face isn't going to have some foreign materials that might cause you an allergy. The materials I just explained are quite technical, but BNX is in the science of creating protective masks that are comfortable. And that melt-blown fabric is one of the key ingredients of why BNX does such a great job. BNX N95 masks are also NIOSH certified. They are true PPE, personal protective equipment, for your health. These masks are used to protect wearers from very small, 0.3 microns in diameter airborne particulates, and from liquids contaminating the air that could get to the face. The N95 NIOSH mask is a filtering face piece. It's a full respirator that meets the U.S. National Institute of Occupational Safety and Health. That's what NIOSH means. It's an N95 classification of air filtration, meaning that it filters 95% of airborne particles. BNX has created the best of head straps for comfort, but also effectiveness. So with that great elasticity and the stretch factor, it'll stretch to your head, but then reduce down to fit your head effectively and comfortably. The elasticity of the head straps is what makes BNX one of the best masks around. It's the highest of quality of a headband and ear loop, which makes it really comfortable and effective to wear for a long period of time. It'll stretch out as you need it and then pull back for just the right feel around your face. Here I am with them on. This is how they all fit. They fit so well around my face. And that's because of that high quality head strap. I cannot emphasize enough how much that makes a difference in the quality of your mask, of the way it feels when you wear it. The nose piece of a mask is also especially important. It's important for fit and for comfort. The nose piece is high quality, very comfortable, and easy to form the shape of your nose by using your fingers and also going around the shape of your cheeks. That fit's very important for an N95 to work effectively to keep out all the air particles. And BNX has used a nose piece of metal that is really comfortable. It's not going to dig into your face. It feels good wearing it. And the fabric against your skin underneath that nose piece is soft. That's not going to leave you scratched or chafing. I want to point out the ear loop K95 respirator mask that BNX makes. I really like the shape of this mask. It's what's called a flat fold, vertical folding mask. And when you put it on your face, it has a nice contour that goes from your nose to your cheeks with a really great fit on the side. The ear loops are so comfortable. All the masks by BNX are great to use, not only to protect you from viruses, but also you could use it in a commercial building, construction, any kind of design work you might do. It's great for food processing, any type of fumes that might be in the air, dust, oil and gas industry, mining, on transportation. It's a general all-use N95 mask. All of them are. Let me show you a video of every one of these masks and how they fit me with the model number underneath it. While you look at these masks, I'm going to tell you more about BNX. They're based in Houston, Texas, and they produce all masks and PPE locally in the United States with an American workforce. BNX's facility is CDC and FDA registered. They have obtained their NIOSH N95 certification as well as a K95 special certification. BNX has been in the business to offer health and safety protection products. That's always been their business. These are just the masks I'm showing you today, but they have a lot of other products too to protect you and your workers. BNX hires American workers and has developed a US-based manufacturing facility to ramp up production of these essential safety protection products all through this pandemic. So you might want to rewind this video to find the model you like the best and jot down the model number of that mask, and you can click the link below to get it. And also, I'm going to flash on the screen now their certifications. That's so important that you get a mask that's made with the highest of qualities so you can be assured that it's going to be effective for you, for whether it's for personal protection or the dust and the elements or some other pollutants around you in your world. In the description box are all the masks I've shown you here today. So choose the one you like the best, and I hope you use them. These are my favorite masks I've had since pandemic has started. I love the quality, I love the price, and I love they're made in America. And BNX has thought to give you price breaks on packages of 20. And this is what they look like in those packages of 20. Here they are sorted. This is all that I got because I want to try them all. I'm Rebecca Brand. Thanks for watching this video, and I wish you really good health going forward. I hope you subscribe to my channel and ring the bell to get notified of my next video. And let's keep making great recipes in life. And this is a recipe for really good health with a very high quality mask going forward in life. Bye. I'll see you next time. If you like this video and you wonder all about what that bra video was, it's right over here. Oh, and there's some other good recipes as well.